in the middle, we're gonna dig a little basin. It's gonna be little, and it's gonna kind of be like this kind of deal. It's gonna be more of like a V. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna build a shelf right here. Where does the concrete start? Okay, so I'm gonna measure this real quick. 1, 2, 3. It's like 3 and a couple inches. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna probably build a shelf about a boot wide, and then about a boot wide. That way we have about a boot wide in the middle. And it's gonna be super easy because what we're gonna do is, as we're digging that middle part, we're gonna be putting the dirt on both sides. So that's gonna make it automatically double the depth, right? So with one shovel, we're gonna get double the depth without having to dig double the depth, right? Because we have the sewer line. So it's really important to have a plan for the dirt when you're doing water harvesting, because it should be part of the project, right? We shouldn't be doing something like where we're digging dirt and putting it in a wheelbarrow and then just making a mound, because then what's going to happen with that mound, right? So I like to do it in a way where the area that we're digging, we're using that dirt in that area to finish the earthwork, right? And since we can't overflow over here, there's a patch of dirt on this other side that this cat claw is growing in, and you can see that there's a very low point right at the very end. So we're already kind of set up to go that way, right? So we have to maintain a 1/4 inch drop going that way. So it's gonna be very light digging, and right here it's gonna be shallow, 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 and it's gonna get deeper and deeper and deeper. Move up a little bit because it needs to be there. There's good. So little rule of thumb, this guy needs to be touching the floor. It's fine that we have like that gap right there and this gap right here, as long as a part of it is solid on the ground, because that's what's gonna level us off. Okay, so, and another little tip, if the water is moving up and down, you just gotta tap it up here like this, and it'll level it out. So I'm at like 22 and a, let's say almost at the end right here. I think it'd be cool if we make a little basin that it drains into. So we should probably move the dirt that we're packing on the sides on over here, and this side from here on, we could add way more dirt to this side too, on this side, because this side didn't get any dirt. It's looking good, guys. It's looking good. This one's just perfect. So a little over 20 and a half. Wait, where were you at? 22, so that's actually higher. And you could tell that there's a bump right there. Yeah, so we gotta knock that out over there. Yeah, so let's go ahead and it looks like right like towards the middle there's a bump that goes up. So that's good. Let's just knock that out. So we still need a little bit more. Okay. It's like another ½ inch. This is how you do it, guys.